Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you everyone at home? Hopefully you all are fine at home. So welcome to your online classes for the second term. We are going to start the second term online classes. Today the date is 20 Jan 2021 and day is Wednesday. But let me remind you, don't forget preparing yourself for the first term exams. You have to keep preparing yourself for that as well. Okay. Let's start the class today. Today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about unit 7, that is matter and the water cycle. You have to open page number 60 for that. Okay, don't forget to write the date on that page. Before we start this chapter, the main thing which I have to tell you is what are particles. We must know first about it, that what are usually particles, because everything in the world is considered on this basic concept. सबको पता होना चाहिए that what are particles. Every bit around us is made up of invisible bits. Those tiny bits are called particles. हमारे आसपास जितनी भी चीजें मौजूद हैं, वो जिन छोटी छोटी ज़र्रात से जिन चीजों से बनी हैं, उन छोटी छोटी ज़र्रात को हम कहते हैं particles. Okay? Now we are going to start the lecture. This is something which you should know before starting a chapter. Today we are going to learn about matter. What is matter? It is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space or volume. So you can say that their volume is the space occupied by an object that has length, breadth and height, but mass is the amount of matter in an object. We are going to learn about the states of matter today. What are the 4 states of matter? Solid, liquid, gas and plasma. In your book, there are only 3 types of 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. But there are 4 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas and plasma. What is solid? The molecules that make up a solid are arranged in regular repeating patterns. They are held firmly in place but can vibrate within a limited area. जो solid के particles होते हैं, I have shown you the particles in a previous slide. तो जो solid के particles होते हैं, वो सारे जो है fixed हुए होते हैं, एक जगह पे जुड़े हुए होते हैं. But in liquid, the molecules that make up a liquid flow easily around one another. They are kept from flying apart by attractive forces between them. Liquids assume the shape of their containers. Liquid के जो molecules, जो particles होते हैं, वो सारे जो है वो movement में रहते हैं. वो जिस container में जाते हैं, उसी के shape में जाके जुड़ जाते हैं. In the case of a gas, the molecules that make up a gas fly in all directions at great speeds. They are so far apart that the attractive forces between them are insignificant. गैस के जो molecules particles होते हैं, वो जो है वो उड़ते रहते हैं, वो दूर दूर एक दूसरे से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, एक दूसरे के आसपास तो होते हैं लेकिन एक फासले पे. But in case of a plasma, at the very high temperature of stars, atoms lose their electrons. The mixture of electrons and nuclei that results is the plasma state of matter. प्लाज्मा जो है वो उसकी एक एग्जांपल जो है अगर मैं आपको दूं तो इस स्टार की हो सकती है. द स्टार्स इन द स्काई आर इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ प्लाज्मा. और उसमें जो ऊपर मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं वो ऊपर के टेम्परेचर पे जाके जो है वो बिल्कुल चेंज हो जाते हैं. अब वो अपना शेप भी चेंज कर लेते हैं, वो अपनी डायरेक्शंस भी चेंज कर लेते हैं. उनके अंदर जो मजीद पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो भी डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं. So here we have some examples of solid, liquid and gases. As you can see, in a solid we can have different kinds of material. For example, a gold bar, crayons, your ice cube, a word or a mobile or a car. For liquid we have water, milk, waves of the seas, your ink of an ink pot, your juices. Take some healthy juices as well to increase your immunity, okay? And for example, for the examples of gas, we have gas in a balloon, a storm, smoke, fog, steam. All these are the type of gases. For plasma, you can see that the lightning, the thunder lightning, the stars, or any sort of light that becomes a plasma. Now we are going to compare these states of matter, solid, liquid and gas, which are a part of your syllabus, which are a part of your book. So let's find out their physical properties. As we are concerned with the shape, अगर हम shape की बात करें, solid has a fixed shape, liquid takes up the shape of the container, but in case of a gas, it takes up the shape of the container too. For example, अगर आप balloon में जो है वो blow करोगे air, तो उसके अंदर जाने वाली गैस उस balloon के ही shape ले लेगी. Let's talk about the volume. In solid, there it has a fixed volume. For liquid, it has a fixed volume, but for gas, it changes the volume to fill its container. Okay? Fluidity. Solid doesn't flow easily. Liquid flows easily, and gas can also flow easily. Compressibility. Not easy to compress a solid, but a liquid is also not easy to be compressed. While the gas can easily be compressed. अगर आप balloon में जो है air blow करते हो फिर उसको बंद कर देते हैं, उसके आगे से knot बांध देते हैं, and then we push a pressure on it. अगर हम हाथ से उस balloon को दबाते हैं तो वो compressed होता है. Am I right? So what we have learned today, we have learned a little bit about the particles, we have learned what is a matter, then we have learned about the different states of matter, and we have also done the comparison between the states of matter. Now what you have to do, you have to read the page from page number 62, page number 60 till page number 62 of unit 7 thoroughly. Read it thoroughly so you can easily revise all these concepts from your book. Okay? That's all for today. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.